Alright guys, today we're going to be doing 1100 HPA again with a torpedo launcher from Mercury Torpedo Revolver. I had an old TR50 a tuning run I got like 4 years ago, long before, maybe more. I got it before I got the one from Home Defense 24, and it's a little bit shorter. It's just over an inch shorter, but it's a rifled barrel. There's a guy on YouTube had a video and he was selling them way back then, and I ended up getting one of the last few he had it was in stock. But yeah, I had to kind of grind a slot up. Like it fit in, kind of, but there was no room for the spring, so I had to kind of like mill out a little spot for it. I put it on my drill, and I spun it. I rigged it up somehow so I can spin it, and then I held the file as I was spinning it, and I was able to grind it down, so I got a new slot for the spring. It's around a 12.7 millimeter barrel, so we're going to be trying it out. I was using a slightly longer brass barrel last time, but I just want to see if this makes a difference, because I think we're getting there's a big leak coming out of here with that last brass setup I had. Yeah, it's coming out of the side here somewhere. So I just want to see if this barrel makes a difference in seating in this little piece right here. But yeah, let me just gas up here. Okay, get the chronograph on. I got the steel bearings in there. All right, see what happens here. Oh, safety. It's one thing I'm not used to with this marker yet. 258. 244. 323. 199. Huh. Oh shit, we're not reading. I missed that one. Okay, something's going on with my chronograph. Maybe it's time for a battery change. But yeah, those last two numbers didn't record, but anyways, we got a higher number with this shorter barrel than my last video. So, oh, let me just ungas this. Or wait, how much PSI do I have left? I'm just sitting above 1100. Let me see. Maybe I'll stick another. Well, I might only get one good shot left, and then I'll drop under 1100. But yeah, we might only get one good shot out of that, but I just want to see. Oh. Ugh. Actually, I can't find. I gotta dig my bearings out. Actually, what is this one here? Actually, yeah, you know what? I'd have to fill the tank up. I'm not gonna screw around with this. But anyways, guys, let's see. Let me just ungas this tank. Let's see. slug sitting here? Oh, we do. Okay. I got a couple wax slugs here. What do they weigh? They're 5.5. Not sure how these are going to pan out for the bore. Hold on. Where are they? So one thing you can't tell which one's next up in this one. Okay, there we go. I might have to change my battery in the Crony, but I'm gonna fire these two slugs. 375. Oh. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so let me just ungas this. Oh. Okay. So 375, 323. Damn, it's too bad we couldn't get those last shots off. It could have been higher, could have been lower. Would have been nice to know. But 323, it's definitely an increase from last time. Yeah, so just checking the numbers now. Sweet. We're now at 40 joules. And, oh, what was this? 5.5. And it was at 5.5 at 375. 5.5 at 325. That slug was only 35 joules. It is a bit smaller in diameter, so makes sense. But anyways, guys, yeah, we're getting there. So just got some things to figure out about this. I'm gonna try and seal the barrel a little better in the magazine, because, well, actually, then again, yeah, with about it's just over around 1.5 inches shorter than an actual tuning run. So with the HDR, we get around 55 to, I don't know, my highest was 62 joules, so other guys say 55 to around the same range, so let's just call it at 55 joules. So we're now up to 40 joules with about 1.5 inches shorter barrel. So there is a little bit of pressure loss coming out of that side, because 1.5 inch of barrel isn't going to make up that 10 to 15 joules, I don't think. You need a bit more length than that. Yeah, anyways, guys, to be continued. We're not done yet with this, but 40 joules with HPA and steel bearings, I sure feel comfortable with that. I mean, 40 joules with 50 cal steel balls is dangerous, man. Like, it just, with ease, plows through 1/2 inch of plywood like nothing. Like, I think you can get through, at around 25, 30 joules, you can get through 1/2 inch of plywood with a steel ball. So, man, these penetrate a little bit better than those 68 cals at 40 joules. But yeah, you don't want to go too high with the 50 cals just because it's hard to say the damage those can do. But yeah, I think 40 is perfect for them. Anyways, guys, take care, and you guys have a good one.